Okay, in this video, we're going to factor the following expression using method 6, the box method. And in the description box of this video, there's a playlist where I cover several different methods, including method 6 box method, and I go over it in detail. Now this video is mainly taken as a practice problem, and so let's begin. Now the first step with the box method is, draw a box, and inside the box there's 4 quadrants. This 2x squared always goes in this box, -3 always goes in this box, and then we write the word multiply and sum. And it's going to multiply to the diagonal. 2x squared times -3, so -6x squared. And it sum or adds to the middle piece, so -5x. So now this is kind of the hard part. This is where we have to think. How can we get -6x squared? We can get it by 3x times -2x, or the reverse. We can get 6x times -1x, or the reverse. And with practice, you'll be able to spot it more quickly. But it's going to be -6x and positive x, because -6x plus 1x is -5x, so it sums to be -5x, and -6x times x is -6x squared. At this point, it's a preference thing. We can put -6x here, or we can put x. I'm going to go ahead and put -6x, and here I'm going to put x. Now we have to get the greatest common factor between -6x and -3. That's going to be 3. Now because the box directly below is negative, we put -3. Likewise, 2x squared and x, the greatest common factor would be x, because they just have an x in common. Likewise, 2x squared and -6x, well, the greatest common factor would be 2, because you could divide both numbers by 2 and get a whole number. Likewise, this is x squared, this is x, so we put x. Now the box directly next to it is positive, not negative, so we say positive 2x. Last one, x and -3. This is like 1x, and this is -3, so the greatest common factor would just be 1. Now it's always a good idea to check. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times -3 is -6x. 1 times x is 1x. 1 times -3 is -3. And so it's a match. Now finally, we write the answer down. So we say parentheses, we copy the top, x minus 3. Parentheses, we do the side piece, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. And this right here is your final answer. It's always good to check. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 1 is 1x. -3 times 2x is -6x. 1x minus 6x is -5x. And -3 times 1 is -3. And so it's a match. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.